Napoleon is proud to introduce the upgraded Prestige series, versatile grilling for every delicious occasion. Providing the backyard chef everything needed to create incredible grilled dishes. Whether you're entertaining for a party or having a quiet meal with friends or family, these grills are the total package. Produce restaurant quality meals with all of the moisture and flavor you desire. Using the infrared sizzle zone side burner and rear burner options. You'll know it's a Napoleon with the iconic wave cooking grids for those distinctive sear marks. Offering a variety including the instant jet fire ignition, ensuring a quick and easy startup every time, and Napoleon's exclusive nightlight control knobs with safety glow, making grilling in your backyard effortlessly entertaining. Napoleon's Prestige Series P500 in 2 different sizes, with infrared rear